Paano ba gamitin si ChatGPT? First is punta tayo sa Play Store and search natin ChatGPT. Lalabas siya. And install natin siya. Wait lang natin ma-install. Na-install na siya and open natin. Mag-start app and read it. Continue with Google. Ito na. Ano ba ang ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT? One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate responses like human. It's real-time based on the user's input. Example nito is mag-search tayo ng question dito. Like, what is famous content creator in the Philippines? Lalabas na siya. Some of the famous content creator in the Philippines kagaya Yana Guerrero, Iba na Alawi, Alex Gonzalo, Anthony, at so on. ChatGPT can give natural answers to question, is a conversational tone, and can generate stories, essays, and poems. Kahit mag-search lang tayo dito and kahit anong question na gusto natin, kaya niyang i-generate na magbigay ng answers sa mga lahat ng tanong natin. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you. How to use Elsa AI. First of all, punta tayo sa Play Store and search natin Elsa AI. And ito siya. In-install natin. And installing and open na natin siya. Elsa. Continue with code. Magsasign in tayo guys para and start natin yung personal English pronunciation coach. Start. Continue.
Why do you want to use Elsa?
Ang Elsa guys is emotion literacy support assistance. They are teaching assistants who have had special training from educational psychologists to support the emotional development of children and young people in school. Tap the word start speaking. Ito guys is pamagitan ng mic para tayo ay magtatanong tayo guys gamit ang mic at magbibigay siya ng answer sa question natin. Yun. English natin. Who is the President of the Philippines?